David, I'm going to come straight to you on this. Which piece of it are you more interested in, fuel economy standards or the Made in America aspect?
I'm interested in both because one of them I'm really happy about and one of them I'm really unhappy about. And that's so much of what I think is happening in economic policy is there's push-pull things going on where there's certain things they're doing that are so beneficial to middle-class Americans and other things that are hurting. And that's the story to me of 2026 in the economy is that what is going to win out, the good stuff or the bad stuff. There's no question that addressing these fuel economy standards is helpful to bring prices down and helpful for middle-class purchasers of an automobile where average price is at $50,000. Yet, the idea that tariffs are helping the buyers is clearly not held up in the data. The steel and aluminum tariffs in particular put an extra inflation in auto prices last year, both used and new, is really problematic. And so we have two things working against each other.
But does it do what the president says, which is because the tariffs are there, it raises those prices for the cars that are imported?
All domestic car prices are higher. All used car prices are higher. This is why the whole idea that we're only going to make prices higher on what is being imported and it won't somehow magically get priced into the other things in the economy, it just isn't true. And so, no, it has not made any domestic manufactured cars cheaper. And by the way, they can't make them. The ones that are not going to be made overseas, that's not going to happen in the next year or two. That's a longer term thing. I don't believe that investment's ever going to take place because of labor cost. It's a thing we've talked about a lot where when we address one issue wrongly, it keeps us from addressing the other thing. We were talking about that in the last segment, Brian, about supply and demand solutions of housing. We have a labor cost problem with the unions, and we're not addressing that. And so, to me, there's a distraction going on. But look, to the fuel economy stuff, I think they're doing everything right.